Assalam-o-Alaikum guys, welcome my YouTube channel. How have to be friends, most welcome at all about decor. Friends, hope so you also fine. In this video viewers, I am share new and trendy stylish ideas pebble art, new commodities pebble art. In this video I am introducing with you, and you can like this beautiful and new stylish ideas that are completely different to each other, and you can enjoy this trending ideas, new capable ideas. In this video I am share with you. Subscribe my YouTube channel and you will enjoy this beautiful ideas. You can create this different ideas. Hopes of yours you like this beautiful ideas that I'm introduced unique pebble art styles. Viewers, subscribe my YouTube channel which I share with you new and different ideas that are looking. Subscribe my YouTube channel that are looking so awesome, that I am introducing new and different ideas. Hopes of yours you can like this new and stylish modern pebble art ideas. New and elegant pebble art styles I am introduced with you, and you can enjoy this video. Unique and clarified ideas sharing in this video through my YouTube channel. So guys, you can like this video. YouTube friends, new and different ideas that's looking so beautiful ideas, new and awesome. Subscribe my YouTube channel which I'm share with you. And are looking so gorgeous. New and unique ideas, and friends you like this beautiful ideas. Subscribe my YouTube channel